Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to unblock contact number. Friends, you want to unblock contact number on your vivo phone, so how to unblock contact number. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So once you want to unblock contact number on your vivo phone device, once you have blocked any contact number and once you blocked by mistake, and once now you want to unblock, so once click on your phone call setting guys, and once click on this three dot right side. Once you can check your call history, and once you can see help and feedback. So once click on setting. After on guys your phone call setting, once you can use your call setting from here. So once you can see here blocked number, once you can check guys your blocked number guys, which number guys you, and which number once you have blocked and once you have add on your block list. So once you can unblock from here guys, click on this option, tap here and unblock. So which number once you want to unblock guys, select unblock, select unblock. So guys I will unblock all contact number on my vivo phone device, and friends I can check this contact number on my phone. So friends, this number was my friend number. As you can see this number guys I have unblocked, and this number guys I have unblocked, and this number guys I unblock. So like that guys you can unblock contact number on your vivo phone device. So as clicking on three dot setting, and you can check your block number contact list, which number fans you have blocked by mistake and fans you have blocked your own purpose. So fans you can unblock from here guys. And fans you can use guys your quick response also. Fans you want to set I will call you later, like that, can't up night round right now, call me later, I will call you right back. Fans you want to set any quick response, so you can set. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.